Python, syntax error, non-ASCII character, \xe2 in file. I am writing some Python code and I am receiving the error message as in the title. From searching, this has to do with the character set. Here is the line that causes the error. I cannot figure out what character is not in the ASCII set. Furthermore, searching \xe2 does not give any more information as to what character that appears as. Which character in that line is causing the issue? I have also seen a few fixes for this issue, but I am not sure which to use. Could someone clarify what the issue is? Python doesn't interpret Unicode unless told to do so, and how I would clear it up properly. Edit. Here are all the lines near the one that errors.
You've got a stray byte floating around. You can find it by running. Where you should replace x.py by the name of your program. You'll see the line number and the offending lines. For example, after inserting that byte arbitrarily, I got
If you are just trying to use UTF-8 characters or don't care if they are in your code, add this line to the top of your .py file.
Change the file character encoding. Put below line to top of your code always.
\xe2 is the dash character. It appears in some copy and paste. It uses a different equal looking dash that causes encoding errors. Replace the dash from copy paste with the correct dash from your keyboard button.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.